The Rumba Step or Rumba box consists of 3 steps, 3 weight changes, making the shape of a box on the floor. Starting with our right foot, we step to the right hand side for 1, together for 2, changing that weight, and forward for 3. We repeat with the left foot, completing that box, step 1, step together, and back. Let's try that again. 3 steps, side, together, forward, side, together, back. Right foot lead, side, together, forward, side, together, back. Let's try it one more time with the count. We're going to do it with this slow count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes it will be done with the syncopated count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try starting with our left foot. Same thing, side to the left, side, step on the right foot, change that weight, step forward and back with the right foot, side, together, change your weight, back. The rumba box can also sometimes start with a side together back step. Let's try that with your right foot. Side, together, back. Then we complete that box with the left foot. Side, together, forward. The rumba box will sometimes have a touch in place of a hold. Side, together, forward, touch. Side, together, back, touch. Let's try the same thing, starting with our left foot. However, we're going to do a rumba back. Use your left foot, side, together, back, touch, side, together, forward, touch. That's your rumba box or rumba step with the touch or without a touch.